Hey guys, this is what's gonna happen when someone tries to tamper this Tuya smart door lock. If you wanna know how this is done, stick around because I will show you the procedure right after this. Hi everyone, my name is Jerrold and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to integrate this Tuya smart door lock to our home security alarm system. You don't need to buy an additional sensor, a gateway, or a hub because this door can connect directly to your Wi-Fi network. Since this is a Wi-Fi enabled device, all the information will be logged onto the system or through the app. When someone enters the door using the IC card, the fingerprint, or the passcode. So here are the 6 steps of connecting the Tuya smart door lock to the home alarm system. Step number 1, you need to open the Tuya Smart or the Smart Life application in your iOS or any Android device. If you don't have one yet, you need to install, then you need to create an account. For step number 2, you need to launch the Smart Life application in your mobile device. Then you hit the word smart, which is located in the lower portion of your screen, and hit the plus button located at the upper right corner of your device. Step number 3, you choose the device status changes, then click smart lock. For step number 4, you choose the lock alarm, then when fingerprint alarm. For step number 5, you choose run the device, then select alarm. For step number 6, you click the smart alarm switch, then click on and save. Click next, then save. Start using it, then hit yes. Now I'm gonna check the configuration if it really works. I'm gonna touch the fingerprint panel of the Tuya smart door lock and see if an alarm will be triggered when I will be using my unregistered fingers. So there you have it. The Tuya smart door lock is connected to the home security alarm system. After a number of unsuccessful attempts, the door will be disabled and the alarm inside the house will never stop unless you set it to stop after 10 seconds or to whatever time you set it to stop. You can also set this door to trigger an alarm when someone tries to guess the passcode. You just need to go to steps number 2 to 6. You open the Smart Life app. Then you hit the smart located at the bottom of the screen. You hit the plus. When device status changes, click the smart lock. Then hit lock alarm. Then choose wrong password alarm. Run the device. Click alarm. Hit the alarm switch. choose on, save, hit next, and then save. Automation is created. Start using it. Just hit yes. Okay, aside from the wrong passcode and wrong fingerprint, you can also set this door to trigger an alarm once someone tries to shock it or someone tries to destroy the door. Another is when the power is cut or the battery is low, you can also set the alarm to trigger. So those were the 6 easy steps of connecting this Tuya smart door lock to our home security alarm system. If this video is any value, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any question or suggestion, write it in the comment section below and I will try to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something today and see you next time.